Hey friends, this is Troy Ounce the Silver Stacker. People ask me all the time, why silver? Why not just stocks? Why not crypto? Why not just cash? And the truth is, I don't stack silver to get rich quick. I stack silver for security, for freedom, for options, and for long-term peace of mind. Today, I want to explain exactly why I stack silver and why it plays such an important role in my life and my financial strategy. Number one, silver is a store of wealth. First and foremost, I stack silver as a store of wealth. Silver isn't a promise. It's not an IOU. It's not dependent on a company, a government, or a system working perfectly. An ounce of silver today is still an ounce of silver tomorrow. Paper currencies come and go. They lose purchasing power and they get printed into oblivion. But silver holds value across time, and that's exactly what I want. Number two, diversification outside the system. Another big reason I stack silver is for diversification. Most people are completely tied to stocks, bonds, banks, retirement accounts, and digital numbers on a screen. And that's okay. But mix it up a little. Silver lives outside the system. It doesn't need electricity, it doesn't need the internet, and it doesn't disappear if an app crashes. Silver gives me balance, and balance is strength, financial strength. Number three, silver is God's money. I also stack silver because, quite frankly, it's God's money. For thousands of years, silver and gold have been mentioned in the Bible, used in trade throughout history, recognized as wealth for millennia, accepted as money even to this very day. This isn't new. This isn't a trend. Silver has stood the test of time, and that matters to me. Number four, silver is used worldwide. It's recognized everywhere. Silver is global. No matter where you are in the world, silver's recognized. It doesn't need translation. It doesn't need explanation. From ancient civilizations to modern markets, silver has value everywhere. That kind of universal acceptance is powerful. Number five, I can hold it, touch it, and feel it. Another reason I stack silver, I can hold it in my hand. There's something different about physical silver. You feel the weight, you hear the sound, you know it's real. That tangibility gives me confidence, especially in uncertain times. The silver variety keeps it fun. That's F-U-N, fun. Let's be honest, silver is also just beautiful. The rounds, the coins, the bars, the vintage, the modern, from constitutional silver to big bars. There's something for everyone. Stacking silver isn't boring. It keeps you engaged, it's personal, and that helps people stay consistent. Number seven, silver is liquidity when you need it. I also stack silver because it is liquid. If I ever need cash, there's seemingly an endless amount of local coin shops, online dealers, and private buyers who are waiting to take possession. Silver can be converted relatively quickly, especially recognizable forms of silver. That flexibility is important to me. Number eight, silver is something to pass on. Finally, I stack silver for my heirs. Silver isn't just wealth. It's a lesson. It's discipline. It's responsibility. It's something tangible I can pass down to my heirs. It's not just numbers on some statement. So that's why I stack silver. Not hype, not fear, not speculation, but for wealth preservation, freedom, and legacy. Friends, if you stack silver or you're thinking about starting, you're not alone. Drop a comment and tell me why you stack silver. Hit like if this has helped you in any way, and please subscribe for honest, real world silver stacking content. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, stack smart, stack silver. This is Troy Ounce, the Silver Stacker. See you on the flip side.